my dear students, welcome to my class. Today we will discuss present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. So let us first take present perfect tense. Children, let us first understand the syntax of present perfect tense. It is has or have plus V3. That is the third form of verb. I have already explained you that every verb has got four forms. V1, V2, V3 and V4. In case of present perfect tense, we use the third form of verb, that is V3. Children, when do we use has and when do we use have? We use has for third person. Who is third person? Third person, for example, if me and you are talking with each other about somebody else, that somebody else would be the third person. Who are first person and second person? First person is the person who is speaking. Okay, like I am speaking, so I can tell you I have taught you simple present tense, or you have watched my video on simple present tense. In case of first person and second person, we use have. But in case of third person, like my father has gifted a watch to me, or my father has been to USA, in that case we use has. So are you clear with the syntax of present perfect tense? Now let me tell you the four scenarios in which we use present perfect tense. The first scenario in which we use present perfect tense are for those actions for which have been completed in the immediate past. I have finished my lunch. I have done my homework. Those actions, I repeat, those actions which are complete in the immediate past. I have seen this movie. Or I have brushed my teeth. I have combed my hair. I have done his work. Or I have cooked lunch. I have finished my breakfast. I have drunk coffee. Or I have drunk cold drink. Like that, for those actions which are complete in the immediate past. Now the second scenario in which we use present perfect tense is those scenarios in which the effect which the action has brought is more important. For example, I have finished the candies. That means nothing is left. I have deleted my work. So what is the effect? My work is not there. So those actions whose effect is still there, who are complete, which are complete, but their effect is still there, we use present perfect tense. Now the third scenario in which we use present perfect tense is those actions for which time is not given and it is indefinite. Have you been to US? Or it could be, have you read Gulliver's Reply? Like in this, the effect of time is not there. It is indefinite. And the last case in which we use present perfect tense is for those actions which began sometime in the past, but they are still continued. I have known him for years. We have not been to Padma for several months. We have lived here for 10 years. So these are the four scenarios in which we use present perfect tense. I repeat the syntax. It is has or have plus third form of verb. Now let us talk about present perfect continuous tense. Present perfect continuous tense is similar to the last scenario of present perfect tense. We use present perfect continuous tense for those actions which began sometime in the past and are still continuing. I have been living here for 15 years, or I have been playing since 9 o'clock, or Prime Minister Modi has been ruling our country for the past 4 years. This way we can create the sentences or present perfect continuous tense. Now children, let me give you some more examples of present perfect continuous tense. It could be they have been building this bridge for 7 years. The repair of this road has been going on for 2 years. I have been knowing him for the past 7 years. These are the examples of present perfect continuous tense. So with this children, the present tense is completed. Present tense is bifurcated into 4 types of tenses. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense and present perfect continuous tense. We use simple present tense in many scenarios. Scenario number 1 is scenario number 1 is for those habits which are regular in nature, like I take coffee, I watch movies, In these scenarios we use simple present tense. The second scenario is we use in case of those things which are universally true, for universal truth. For example, earth revolves around the sun, or oxygen gives plants give oxygen, plants give out oxygen, or plants make food with the help of chlorophyll. These are few of the examples of universal truth. Now, third case in which we use simple present is the vivid narrative. When we are trying to narrate something like a movie, if we are trying to narrate a book or a movie, we use simple present tense. We also use simple present tense in cricket commentaries. Okay, so that was about simple present tense. In case of present continuous, which are the scenarios in which we use present continuous tense? First scenario is the actions which are happening at the time of speaking. Like, I am teaching right now, you are listening to me, I am preparing my video, I am talking, I am teaching tenses. Okay, these are this is the case. This is the first scenario. Second scenario is for the temporary actions in which the work is not complete. For example, I am learning guitar, or I am reading David Copperfield, or I'm learning dance. So all these are temporary actions which are not complete. Okay. And third is the scenario which is going to happen arranged as a timetable. Like, the match is we are going to have the match on Sunday. I am going to meet my friend next week, or I am going to Delhi tomorrow. These are the words in which the work has been decided or it is prearranged. These are the scenarios of present continuous tense. If we talk about present perfect tense, as I explained, there are three scenarios in which we use present perfect tense. Scenario number 1, for those actions which have completed in the immediate past. Scenario number 2, for those actions whose effect is still there, which are complete but their effect is still there. I have spent all my money. Third scenario is when the action began sometime in the past and is still continued. Like, I have known him for 8 years. Present perfect continuous is similar to the last scenario of present perfect tense. Present perfect continuous tense is I have been living here for 10 years. He has been doing his homework regularly. For those actions which have begun sometime in the past and are still continued. Hope you understood present tense. I will catch up with you with past tense very shortly. Thank you very much for listening.